What's up, guys? It's your boy Brandon here, back with another video, guys. And in today's video, guys, it's been a crazy ass day. Today's Yeezy day. A bunch of Yeezys I've been restocking. I actually got my hands on one. It's been a crazy day, guys, but big thing that came in the mail today. One of my longtime Grails. I've been waiting to pick this up. I actually picked this up a few days ago, last week on GOAT. And yeah, I've been waiting to unbox this thing, man. Like I've really been excited for this video. I've been excited to get these shoes. I've waited for these shoes for a while. I never pulled the trigger on them, and I finally just, I said fuck it. So let's get right into the unboxing. All right, guys, so here is my package. I got this from GOAT. Just came in the mail like, I want to say 15 minutes ago. Yeah, I've been crazy excited to unbox this thing. So let's just get right into it. Yeah, I got my little unboxing tool thingy. I guess you could call it that. It's just like a bottle opener. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. We got a fat ass box right here, guys. Fat box. This is a lot. This is a really long box. Jesus Christ. Can't even get it out of the thing. All right, guys. So here are the shoes. This is the box. Boom. Nike swoosh on the top. You already know. You already know what's in this box right now, bro. You already know. Tag. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Nike the 10. You already know. You already know, boys. This is a used pair, by the way, because yeah, I found a really good deal on GOAT for a really clean looking used pair. So let's just pray that these didn't come out all fucked up. So bam, bam. Oh, baby. These are clean. This was a steal, bro. This was legit a steal for what I got these for. Right here, guys, we have the Off-White and Nike Air Max 90 in the Desert Ore colorway. I've been waiting to get these shoes for a long ass time, man. Like, you don't understand. Look at this. Clean. The bottom is even clean, bro. Like, everything about this shoe is still clean, which is crazy because I got it for a really good price. I got them for like $4.90 on GOAT, and that's a pretty good price for these. They're going for like $600. So I just pulled the trigger. Did they come with the other laces? That's what I wanted to know. Damn. So they did not come with other laces, I think. Did they put them in here maybe? No, nothing. That kind of sucks, but I mean, whatever. The orange laces are just fine. So yeah, guys, here are the shoes. For some reason, every pair that I get off GOAT, they just smell like ass. I don't know what people be doing some weird shit in their houses, bro. Like, that shit just smells like ass. But here are the shoes, guys. So first thing right off the bat, the whole upper, well, everything around the shoe is just this Desert Ore colorway. It's like a brown khaki. Kind of reminds me of like the Hollows Eve Blazers. It's kind of like that. Then on the side, you got this big Nike swoosh right here. And then you got the little Off-White little tab. And on here, you got the exposed foam on the tongue and on the like the edge of the insoles and stuff like that. I love the materials on these too. Like, the materials are crazy. So right here, you got like a suede right here. Then you got a mesh. Then you got like I don't even know what to call this. Like a nylon kind of material. Then you got leather. Like, the materials on these are on point as fuck. You got the big hang tag right there, the Off-White signature hang tag. On the bottom, just Air Max 90 sole right here. So yeah, in the inner here, you got the big Nike swoosh and some Off-White branding. It reads Off-White for Nike Air Max 90, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, circa 1990. Pretty cool. These are a size 11.5, so they should fit me just well. The only thing that I don't like about GOAT and used shoes is that they did not bring the laces that I kind of really wanted. I wanted the blue laces. They didn't even bring the default, like the stock laces. Like, I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, they only brought these laces that are on them, which are fine. Like, I like them. I'm just saying, like, it would have been cool to have the other laces too. Yeah, I can't complain for the price that I got them for. And these came out like super clean. They just smell like ass. That's the only thing. They just smell like shit. But I think that's honestly just like a UPS thing, because, bro, like, these shoes smell exactly the same way as my Yeezy 500s that I got like a long ass time ago from GOAT. That was like the first GOAT purchase I made, and they smell exactly the same. Yeah guys, these are going crazy right now. Like these are probably my favorite shoes right now in my collection. And yeah man, it was a blessing to be able to get these, but I'm glad I finally pulled the trigger. All right guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel for more sneaker content. I do got some more videos on the way, so stay tuned for that. If you didn't already watch my Funko video that I did, watch that. And I also had a video on the Travis Scott 1 lows that you guys should definitely watch. But other than that guys, I hope you guys have a great day and peace.